So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at a certain solution. Now in case you have loved ones staying in Gulf countries like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, well you already know that it's difficult making WhatsApp calls. So when you don't have the option of making WhatsApp calls to somebody staying in say Abu Dhabi for example, what are the different alternatives available? Today we speak of one such alternative and something that I pretty much use regularly for making calls to my elder brother in Abu Dhabi. Now let's look at how this is to be done. Head towards Play Store and go ahead and search for this application which is called Botim by Algento Cloud Computing Limited. Now once you have search for this app, go ahead and install this. We'll wait for the application to get installed. It's pretty similar to how WhatsApp, Telegram works. And I really like this application because it gives a very neat, easy interface, very similar to WhatsApp, and therefore it becomes pretty relatable. So let's kind of wait for this to install and then I will explain you the specifics. Well, there you go. We have already installed the app. I will go ahead and fire it up. Now, like any other application, you got to accept like the app permissions and every other thing. So just simply go ahead and tap on agree and activate. Don't worry, I mean, it doesn't kind of does any wrong thing to your phone as such. Put in your number. So I'll just put in a demo number. So we'll receive a OTP here. There you go. OTP has been received. Now the verification has been successful. We want to sync contacts, obviously, otherwise this won't work. So I will tap on continue. We'll give app permissions for contacts, for photos, and it's installing. Small age verification check. So tap on the one and there you go. Age group is being asked, confirm. So there you go, the app has finished installing. You can make calls, you can chats, you can check your contacts. Now, for example, if you have someone staying in Abu Dhabi, so you can search for the number and then you can type in messages. You can make like a voice call, a video call, exactly like how WhatsApp operates. So I really find this pretty cool. I mean, if you have someone staying, say, in like the Gulf and you are unable to make WhatsApp calls for whatever reasons, just go ahead and try using Botim. I mean, I do it regularly, so I can vouch for it. It really is a wonderful application. I think the rest other things should be pretty easy to understand. If you are having any problem understanding the interface, just get in touch. Let me know in the comment section what you are finding trouble understanding and I will get back to you with a solution. If you see right at the top, there is something called as a plus icon and you can like just explore this. You have the options of making a new call or a group call, adding contacts, sending a new message. So everything like how like you have other messaging applications do, pretty much similar to that. So hopefully all of this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing. Also get in touch with your loved ones using this wonderful open source solution. And do let me know how it feels, how the whole experience was. Would really love to hear out your comments. And please do subscribe to the channel. Tap on the bell icon for notifications. And that's all from my side. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.